Many years ago, Bantus migrated all across Africa searching for a safe haven. The ones that did reside in Somalia are known as Somali Baantus. As for myself, they were looking for a sanctuary, a safe haven, a place they could call home, a place where they can raise their kids. But 40 years ago, Somalia declared war on us. They started segregating us, discriminating against us. They started raping our people, taking our farmlands, beating them up, taking advantage of us, and to top it off, they don't see us as a human. They mistreat us so badly that it hurts till this day. So our generation is standing together to start a movement called the Somali Bantu Lives Matter movement. And we will stand together. We will fight. We will be heard. We will strive to be the greatness we could be. Because we deserve rights as much as you do. Somalia is not just made for Somalians. Because if that was the case, then Bantus would have never existed in there. We helped build it. That's our home too. Because Somali Bantu lives matter. Whether you want to believe it or not, we deserve to live.
We Somali Bantus need peace for the living and justice for the dead.
Our lives begin to end the day that we become silent about things that matter. Somali Bantu lives matter. We need justice for all.
You say no, we can't. We say yes, we can. Somali Bantu lives matter.
Segregation within our people. That don't ever sound right, bruh. We all black. It's time we wake up, stand up, and speak up, because Bantu lives matter too.
You said, no, we can't. And we said, yes, we can. Give us human rights. Stop killing. Bantu lives matters.
Somali Baantuu people have their land stolen, they've been beaten, and they've been killed, and they're still looked down upon till this day. We have stayed silent for too long. It is time for us to fight, and the fight starts today. Somali Baantuu lives do matter.
I am not a second-class citizen. I am Somali Bantu, and my life matters.
I want peace.
Go.
Coming all the way from Boise, Idaho, respect and love. All Bantu lives matter. Peace out.
It's going to be hard, but hard is not impossible. Bantu lives matter.
We want justice and we want peace. Somali Bantu community must stick together and fight for this.
Somali Bantu faced robbery and rape in Somalia, and they have become victims in their native land every single day. Somali Bantu lives matter, and we want justice.
We are one.
Enough is enough. Time is up. Justice for all. Bantu lives matter.
For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. It's time our Somali Bantu people take a stand and fight for the justice they so deserve, so that our children and their children and their children and so on forth can have a better tomorrow, inshallah.
It's about time we wake up, stand up, and speak up. Bantu lives matter.
The secret of happiness is freedom. The secret of freedom is courage. Somali Bantus need to be free in order for them to feel happiness in their own country.
That's so far Somali Bantu.
It's crazy what we're going through right now in Somalia. But I just want to say, shout out to all the strong people. Somali Bantu lives matter. Jerewan lives matter.
No matter your status or how powerful you feel you are, we're all equal. We came here by birth and we leave in death. Our life matters. We want equality. We want justice. We want peace.
Unity is strength. Division is weakness. Bantu lives matter.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys doing? I just want to express my feelings about how I feel about the situation. I feel like everybody deserves rights. Everybody deserves part of the land. Everybody deserves equal rights.
I want justice for those who are oppressed, peace to the land, and unity for all Somalians regardless of ethnic and tribal background.
We can't become what we need to be by remaining what we are. Bantu lives matter.
Peace to the land my mother left behind.